Here's an update on my lawn. I seeded 5 days ago on the 13th. Today's the 18th here. I'm starting to see some sprouting. The grass coming up. Seen a few spots all over. It's definitely coming up better where the grass has been killed off. It took a solid 3-4 days for the grass to actually turn yellow and die. Those darker spots are all spots I filled. They were really low spots where trees once were, or in this case along the sidewalk here they had flowers. They were already dead and gone when I bought this house, moved in, but there was an indent left where those plants were removed. I did pick up some topsoil, which is from a local True Value. I'm noticing it did have a lot of mulch in it, bark, which is going to break down, help give it more nutrients. But I am also noticing is there's actually quite a bit of sand mixed in here, which isn't a bad thing, but just causes it to dry out a little bit quicker. But the grass is starting to sprout up through that, but not quite as fast as it is through those other areas that are already dead. But that's the update. Within, I don't know, 3-4 days, I already had grass sprouting up. So it's coming in pretty good though. The grass I use is just a Kentucky bluegrass. It's True Value brand. I do almost all of my shopping as far as lawn care, tools, stuff like that goes exclusively at this True Value. They haven't steered me wrong yet, so I trust them in everything they keep in stock. But you can really see where this is coming in pretty well, kind of everywhere. There's a few good spots over here where I dethatched it really well. So I don't typically walk on this, but just to show you real quick, there's just the grass sprouting up. But should have another update in a few more days. Hopefully this is nice and growing in a little bit better by then. I'm also trying out a few different sprinklers. I've got probably 6 or 8 different sprinklers. These are your more common ones. I do a 360 degrees or 180. The 180 is more than just a half circle, so it's kind of, you got to place it right for it to get where you need it to be. If I had another 2 more of those, I think I'd be set for my lawn. I've got some over there that just spin. There's 3 little sprinklers that just spin. Another one over there that just waves back and forth. But overall though, I'm liking these ones here. They're pretty neat. They're fun to watch. But they have really good coverage too. They cover a lot farther. It's looking decent though. I get a lot of compliments on the yard. Or not compliments, but support. You know, I think this is one of those things that people just don't trust themselves with. This is my first time doing a lawn renovation, but I do have a lot of support from the neighbors. You know, they've been looking at this house for a few years and it was just neglected. But my plan's to fix it all up nice. We're getting there. You can tell last year where I filled in, basically did the same thing on this side. I was working on that side, and then this is just too far gone. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do, but you can see where it's a little bit darker. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but it's a little bit darker here where I put this topsoil, same topsoil down last year. Filled it in. I've got some tree root there that I had ground out, so it's, I don't know, it's just dying still. But last night, I might do a video on this as well, but last night I was trying edging out for the first time. I'm going to be doing some landscaping for the first time, but my plan here is create kind of a, I don't know, that's probably more than what I was wanting to do, but that's about a 3-inch edge there. I'm going to fill this all with black lava rock. I'll put a pre-emergent down like preen or something. I'll put the mat down. I'll put the rock on top of that, and then I'll add the plants in there. But my plan is to make this to where, which it might not work now I'm thinking about it. My plan was originally to make this deep enough to where I can mow over that and not have to weed it, but I'm thinking my tires might actually smush that in, so I'll probably still have to weed eat around that. And I gotta clean up those edges a little bit better, but put in a few hours last night and did that. Anyways, I'll have an update in a few days on the grass over here. Thanks for watching.